Fenty hair just came out. I got it. Let's try it and rate it 1 through 10. Not my first YouTube video being with Fenty hair. Today we are washing our hair with the Fenty hair line. This is what my hair looks like. It's an old braided curl and it is dry and ready to be hydrated, honey. So we are sectioning off our hair because I always detangle first every single time without fail. I could not do the shampoo then conditioner thing. I was struggling, and then I tried this and it is everything to me. All of these products have amazing ingredients, I will say that, but I spritz my hair for like 20 minutes to finally get it wet. Then it was time to go in with the conditioner, which smells so good. All of these products, I cannot even describe how good these products smell. Like, they were absolutely pleasant for my system. I don't know what it was, but I will say this conditioner did not have enough slip like I would have expected. I need extreme slip in all of my conditioners. I like to glide through with my brushes every time that I detangle, but this did go by pretty quickly. It was, I'd say, 20 minutes of detangling, which is pretty normal for me, and then I twisted into 4 different twists, and then it was time to go into the washing. I could not get it to squeeze out with one hand, but we're trying out this moisture repair shampoo. I will say, for a moisture repair shampoo, I did not really see the moisture repair. It did cleanse my hair though, which is what I normally look for in a shampoo. Like, as long as it cleanses my hair, that's all I really need. But it did not really moisturize my hair. Then I went in with the Comeback Kid Repair Treatment. This is a heavy hitter. I will have to see how well it works over time, and I'll definitely let y'all know, but I definitely look forward to using this every other week for the next few months. Then I rinse that out. You can also leave it in, by the way, which is super cool. And yeah, that's what my hair is looking like. Super soft. It feels very moisturized and smooth and ready to be in this protective style. We are finally out of the shower. This is what my hair looks like in its shrunken state, and I'm still smelling my hair. I'm sorry, it smells so good. Like, this scent was so pleasing to my senses. And then we're going in with the heat protectant. I was actually pretty pleased by this. It left me with a very smooth blow dry. I will have to continue using it to see how well it works in comparison to my other heat protectants, but I genuinely liked it. Left my hair smelling very good once again. And then I went in with my Revlon blow dryer. Yes, I still use this. This is not the one that causes fires. That's the roller brush. So don't try to put me in nothing. This is not the one with the scandal. Okay, there's a little length check. I will say, I know I need a trim. I know I need a haircut. Actually, I will be getting one next month, so stay tuned for that. I need a refresh of my shape expeditiously. But this is what my hair was looking like, a little side-by-side comparison. Then it was time to prep the hair for the island twist. This will be my new go-to style. I'm so sorry. I loved how quick this went. Then it was time to get my nails done. I will say, for the island twist, definitely get human hair, please. But this was my nail appointment. I went to somebody new, and this place was just pink everywhere, and I loved every bit of it. She had snacks, and I loved how my nails turned out. I'm gonna shut up now so y'all could just enjoy the vibes and enjoy the cinematicness of it all. Like, I love how I filmed this so much.
So many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without my days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I can keep no more. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Without you. I can keep on. I keep on. I trusted you. I trusted you. So sad. What love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies,
I didn't really mention this part, but I am going on a brand trip in this vlog. I know, it was just such a random bit of clips, but I didn't know how to make this video longer. But we're in New Orleans, Louisiana for Essence Fest, and I'm with the brand 54 Thrones. I love this brand so much. Y'all will definitely see more of them on my page as I make more videos. And this is the breakfast that they had for us on the second day. So delicious. I wish I could go back to this day and eat this food all over again because it was so good. Oh my gosh, they really fed us well. And here I am with all the girls just getting my food together. And here's some clips of the actual events that we went to. This was the Camille Rose Day party where they had a bunch of different booths, and we got to get some Camille Rose samples, and we also met the founder as well. That is it for this wash day / mini vlog. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
And my heart can't take no more. I keep on